Hi everyone, welcome back to the Altium Develop series. So in this video, we will see how can we connect the Jira with the Altium Develop by building a bridge between hardware task and real design data. So I will take a simple example and add the task and we'll see how can it affect the task on the Altium Develop. So we can change the status of the task from the Jira, whatever we are changing the status of the task if a manager is using Jira platform and he can assign the task from that platform to the Altium Develop on which the designer is reviewing the task and he can make then the changes in the design. So in most hardware teams, Jira track tasks, but it has no idea what actually changed in the design. In this video, I will show how Altium Develop creates a live bidirectional bridge between Jira tickets and real hardware design data. Maybe we will talk about the tickets in the upcoming videos, but we will see how can we integrate the Jira with the Altium Develop. So in your workspace, you have a settings option. Go over there and see the apps option. Click over here and here you can see the G2 data. It's for the BOM purpose and here is the Jira. Click over here. I have already connected with the Jira. My workspace is connected to the Jira, but here you can see the status is connected. I can disconnect over here. You will see this interface first time. Just click on the connect option and it will take you to this web page. Here you 365 is requesting access to your Atlassian account. Just accept this and it will reload. You are all set up. You may close now. You just close this and now you can see it's connected to the workspace. And in the projects option menu, you can see the mapping, which project you want to map with the Jira project. I just click over here and here is all the list of the project. I select the 2-channel oscilloscope project and the Jira project I already created over there on the Jira platform, team Altium Develop. I will connect this, enable Jira mapping for project editors and save the changes. So here the project has been changed, saved. So now you can see I have already created a Jira ticket over here, KN3 with the name KN3. You can change the status of this uh, task from here and from the Jira platform as well. So here is the Jira platform interface. I have created this team Altium Develop project and you can see all your workspaces over here. I have just only created a single one. You can change the status by dragging and dropping to the to do task. It's in the idea panel right now. I just drop it down to the to do task and I can also drop it to the in progress task. So now you can see on the right side this project status is now changed to do as I have put it in the to do. I just changed the status to in progress. Now you can see the status on the Altium Develop is live and it is changed to the in progress. So when I click on the done option in the Altium Develop, it don't allow me to make the changes in the task. And just click over here again. It's because we have to generate the token for this task. We will see in our upcoming video how can we create a token for this task. And here you can see all other. Just you can change the priority level from here, and it will be reflected to the Jira platform which your project manager is using. And here, let's explore this more. You can change the status from here as well. It's in the progress, and below is all the history of the changes which we just made. You can add the comment over here. These are all the changes I have made to this task, and when I have made, the time is also over there. 7 minutes ago, 8 minutes ago. On the three dots option, you have some more option. You can share this task to someone else as well by clicking on the share option. And these are all the changes. What is the functionality of the block? This was the basically task I have just added for an example. So just close this and see, I have just two tasks over here. Cane one is now done, so it is now crossed in the done drop down menu. So here some other examples. You can add the labels, the team members, you can add the comments, you have history, workload, this is on the track, and you can send this, save this, and you can add the comments along with the changes on the Jira as well. So if I click on the done option and go back to the workspace, now this task is done and removed from the task panel. As you can see, there is no Jira task over here. So in this way, you can simply add the task to the workspace to specific component and link that task to the Jira workspace, and both are linked together. They both are bidirectional. It means whatever you change the status of the task on the Altium Develop workspace, it will be reflected to the Jira platform, and if you change the status on the Jira platform, it will be reflected to the Develop workspace. So in this way, you can integrate the Jira with the Altium Develop workspace, and your project manager can assign tasks if he don't have any experience with the Jira or workspace. He can just link the designer just link the Jira with the Altium Develop, and the project manager can just assign the task from there, and all the tasks will be reflected to the workspace. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching and follow us for the upcoming videos.